A year ago, my partner and I set out to find how to create a laptop lifestyle that we could travel Australia and overseas together with Mavericks, our visualer. At the time, I was working as a nurse and Craig was working as an engineer. We have always been in and out of jobs for years and always been searching for something that would fulfill our dreams of our ideal lifestyle. We had finished bringing up our family and we were looking for the next chapter of our lives. We decided we wanted to be free to live where we wanted and not be restricted to geographical locations. We scraped together enough money to buy a van and we proceeded to renovate it while we traveled. Around the same time, we stumbled across a perfect training to help us learn how to build a digital business. And now, a year later, we are well on our way to earning and replacing both our incomes with just a few hours a day on our laptops. And we still have to pinch ourselves every day that this is our reality. If you had told me a year ago I would quit my job and have the ability to earn more in a month than our previous salaries combined, honestly, I would have laughed at how ridiculous that sounds. Yet, here we are. The training we did made the business setup process fairly simple, but it still took hard work, diligence, and time to build a solid income. But to have the kind of freedom we have now, it has been 100% worth every minute we have invested into it. With the kind of training we received, anyone can do this. However, don't be fooled into believing just because it is online, this does not mean that it is going to be super easy and it'll be an overnight success. That is simply a lie, and if you're offered anything like that, this is most definitely not real. You do have to be willing to work hard and invest in yourself, learn some new skills. All of this takes time, so be kind to yourself and have patience. Trust me, you'll be rewarded. If this all sounds like something you may be interested in, then go ahead and pop your name and email in the subscription and grab the free workshop series. Craig and I did the workshop series and went on to do further paid training, and honestly, it has completely changed our lives. Good luck, and I hope to see you on the other side.